Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Gonna be working on Rat 2 today. Model 1 Allstate. Model 2. You can tell a little difference in them. Yeah, one's quite a bit bigger. Two feels good in your hands too. Made good. Put that clip anywhere you want it. Pocket clip. Well, not, maybe about a that might be close to an inch, 3/4 inch. Blade's a good inch longer though, I'd say. Anyway, folks, they're both good knives, highly recommended. Had fun playing with them. Little one's a lot easier to carry too, by the way. Anyway, have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.